Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Holly Wolf here, and you're watching Wolf of the Wild. We are fertilizing plants today, a very important task, and I've noticed a lot of gorgeous new veggie growth on all of my tomatoes, my sugar snap peas, my peppers and eggplants are flowering, so we're gonna go ahead and fertilize today to make sure everything is full of nutrition. If you haven't noticed, there's some gorgeous songbirds right now. It's early-ish in the morning, and there's definitely a lot of birds around here. It's the first year my birdhouses are occupied. There's woodpeckers in the trees. It's really, really awesome. Lots of blue jays as well as red robins. Really awesome. But yeah, if you hear like just sounds of nature, it's all the birds around my garden, which is amazing. We're going to fertilize today. I have a mixture of earth-safe tomatoes and vegetables. This is a really great fertilizer made in Canada, 100% vegan. And then we also have this Dakota Eco-Organic Fertilizer and Plant Nutrition, which is also made entirely from recycled food waste. Really, really awesome stuff. We're going to be kind of using both of these. This guy's almost empty, which is great. I love using up like containers that are almost completely empty. This stuff lasts forever though because it's liquid fertilizer. So use a tiny little bit, fill up your watering cans, and then fertilize your plants. I have a rain barrel here that needs to be emptied, so we're going to work on that first. And then from there, if we need to use like city water, we can, but I really want to make sure I use as much recycled rainwater as possible for my plants because it's just better for them in general. And it's less money on my house bills. So yeah, anyways, today's gonna be a super chill, amazing video. I'm gonna walk around the garden. We're going to feed all of these beautiful plants so that they stay nice and healthy. I have quite a few tomatoes, and my peppers and eggplants are completely in containers, raised planter beds, and they definitely need a little bit more upkeep when it comes to fertilizer because they can't pull anything from the ground. A lot of my lower raised beds, they have contact with the actual soil about a foot down, so they can pull a little bit more. But anything in containers, anything in raised planters that aren't contacting the actual earth, they rely on us a lot more. So we need to kind of keep up with that. And like I said, I really want to make sure I have some good harvests this late summer and fall. So we're going to get on that. Let's get right to it. We have a lot to get done today. Woo! All right, guys, it's actually just starting to rain, which is perfect. Give my plants a little bit more water. I'm super into that. We've got almost everything in the garden fertilized, just with a really nice hit of nutrition and plant food, which will kind of get everything in this area by for the next month or so, which is great. I'm just so happy with how the garden is looking this year. It looks fabulous. I already have some great yields from some of my fruits and veggies. The cherry trees, as you might have seen, were amazing this year. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you do to fertilize your plants. I amend my soil every year with some compost, and then throughout the season, I typically do a liquid fertilizer because I find it easier than like raking in little granule guys. I feel like you just use so much less. So that's my vibe. I'm a liquid fertilizer girly through and through. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.